Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talking.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
And I'm David. How are you today, Olivia?
I'm okay. A little tired. You?
I'm great. I had coffee this morning. 3 cups.
3 cups? Wow, you are crazy.
Haha, maybe, but I have energy now.
Good. So, David, what is our topic today?
Today, we are talking about heartbreak.
Oh no, heartbreak. That is sad.
Yes, it is sad, but it happens to everyone.
That's true. Everyone has heartbreak stories.
Exactly. So today, we will talk about it. We will share stories, and we will give advice.
Yes, and before we start, don't forget to subscribe.
That's right. Click that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends.
Because maybe your friends need this advice too.
Haha, true. Okay, let's start.
So, David, what is heartbreak?
Good question. Heartbreak is when love ends and you feel very sad.
Yes, your heart feels broken.
Exactly. Heartbreak. 2 words.
It happens when maybe your boyfriend or girlfriend says, "We need to break up."
Oh, yes. That is the worst.
Or maybe you love someone, but they don't love you.
Ooh, that hurts too.
So, what do you feel when you have heartbreak?
You feel sad. Very, very sad.
Yes, and you cry a lot.
Haha, true. I cried when I had heartbreak.
Really? You cried?
Of course, everyone cries.
That's okay. Crying is normal.
What else do you feel?
You feel angry. Maybe you think, why did this happen?
Yes, and you feel confused.
Confused. This means you don't understand.
Right, you think, what happened? Why did it end?
And sometimes you don't want to eat.
Oh, that's me. When I'm sad, I don't eat.
Really? For me, it's different. When I'm sad, I eat a lot.
Haha, what do you eat?
Ice cream, chocolate, pizza, everything.
Wow, you eat your feelings.
Haha, yes. Food makes me happy.
Okay. So heartbreak is hard. You feel sad, angry, confused, and you cry.
Yes, it's a difficult time.
But it's normal. Everyone has heartbreak.
That's true.
Okay, Olivia, do you have a heartbreak story?
Oh, yes, I do.
Tell us. Tell us.
Okay. So this was 5 years ago.
5 years ago. Wow.
Yes, I had a boyfriend. His name was, let's call him Tom.
Tom. Okay.
So Tom and we were together for 1 year.
1 year? That's a long time.
Yes, and I really liked him. I thought maybe we will get married.
Oh, you thought about marriage.
Yes, but one day he called me.
Uh-oh, that sounds bad.
It was bad. He said, "Olivia, we need to talk."
Oh, no. We need to talk. That's never good.
I know. So he said, "I don't think this is working."
What? After 1 year?
Yes, I was so shocked. I cried a lot.
That's so sad.
It was. For 2 weeks, I stayed in bed. I watched sad movies. I ate ice cream.
2 weeks in bed?
Yes, I was very sad.
But you're okay now, right?
Yes, now I'm fine. I learned heartbreak is hard, but it passes.
That's true. Time heals everything.
Exactly. Okay, David. What about you? Do you have a story?
Me? Oh, yes, I have a funny story.
Funny? Heartbreak is funny?
Well, now it's funny, but at that time, it was terrible.
Okay, tell us.
So, I was in high school. I was 17 years old.
Oh, young love.
Yes, I liked a girl in my class. Her name was, let's call her Sarah.
Sarah. Nice name.
Yes, so I liked Sarah, but I was too shy to talk to her.
Oh, shy David.
Yes, so one day I wrote her a letter.
A letter? That's so romantic.
I thought so. I wrote, "Dear Sarah, I like you. Do you like me? From David."
Oh, that's sweet.
I gave her the letter, and I waited.
What happened?
She read the letter, and she laughed.
She laughed.
Yes, she showed the letter to her friends. Everyone laughed.
Oh no, that's terrible.
I know. I was so embarrassed. I didn't talk to anyone for a week.
Poor David.
But now I can laugh about it.
That's good. See, time makes everything better.
Exactly.
Okay, so we talked about heartbreak. We shared stories. Now, let's talk about how to feel better.
Yes, this is important. If you have heartbreak, what should you do?
Okay, first, cry.
Cry? Really?
Yes, crying is good. Don't keep your feelings inside.
That's true. Cry and let it out.
Yes, cry for 1 day or 2 days or 1 week. It's okay.
Okay. What's next?
Second, talk to your friends.
Yes, friends are important.
Call your best friend. Tell them, I'm sad. I need to talk.
Good friends will listen. They will help you.
Exactly. Don't be alone.
Okay. What else?
Third, do something fun.
Like what?
Watch a movie. Go for a walk. Play sports.
Oh, I like this. Keep yourself busy.
Yes, if you sit at home and think about your ex, you will feel worse.
That's true. So go outside, see friends, have fun.
Exactly. What else, David?
Fourth, don't look at their social media.
Oh, this is very important.
Yes, don't check their Instagram, don't check their Facebook.
Because you will feel jealous. You will feel sad.
Right? So, delete them. Or just don't look.
Good advice.
And fifth, give yourself time.
Time?
Yes, heartbreak doesn't heal in one day.
That's true. It takes time.
Maybe 1 month, maybe 3 months, maybe 6 months.
Everyone is different.
Yes, so be patient with yourself.
And remember, you will feel better. I promise.
That's right. Time heals everything.
One more thing, David.
What?
Eat chocolate.
Of course, chocolate makes everything better.
Yes, and ice cream.
Okay, so to feel better, cry, talk to friends, do fun things, don't check social media, give yourself time, and eat chocolate.
Perfect list.
Okay, everyone. We talked about heartbreak today.
Yes, we talked about what heartbreak is, how it feels, and how to feel better.
Heartbreak is hard, but it's normal. Everyone has heartbreak.
And it passes. Time makes everything better.
So, if you have heartbreak right now, don't worry. You will be okay.
Yes, cry, talk to friends, have fun, and give yourself time.
And before we go, don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking.
Yes, click that subscribe button. We make new videos every week.
Like this video. Leave a comment. Tell us your story.
Yes, we want to hear from you. Do you have a heartbreak story?
Write it in the comments and share this video with your friends.
Because maybe they need this advice too.
Okay. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.